Namaste to all my friends. This is Jesda from the new channel, The Monk in Jeans. I'm sure all of you are keeping very well because I'm well too. In my first video, I tried to give you an idea about relationship between the universal energy which I called God and ourselves. I tried to explain how all of us are sunk in the larger energy source which is running this creation called this beautiful world. In today's video, I'll talk about our prayers, our mantras, our affirmations and our faith. All of us from different kind of religions, Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, all of us, we go to the houses of the gods which we call the mosque, the church, the gurdwaras, the temple, the synagogue and all other places. We consider that God is staying there. So we go there to pray, to ask for things, to ask for our protection, our safety, our prosperity, our health, our success, everything that we have in our mind, all that we want. We always go to those places of worship which we call, like I said, the church, the mosque, the temple, etc. Now, when we go and pray there, we have a lot of faith. We believe that God lives there and we keep asking, oh God, give me that. Oh God, give me this. God, let me get this employment. Oh God, let my business succeed. God, let my son and daughter succeed in their exams and in their career. Or, oh God, please heal me. And we believe that God is listening to us and He will definitely grant all our wishes. But once we come out of that place and we join our mainstream life, we forget about that. How? Because once we start facing the realities, when we rejoin our life, going to the school, going to the college, eating, getting married, performing in our job or carrying out our daily business, we do not remember that God is with us. Why? Because the moment we face a situation, we become frightened. We fear what is going to happen tomorrow. We fear tomorrow I might get fever. Tomorrow, am I going to get coronavirus? Tomorrow, is my son or daughter going to pass his or her exam? Tomorrow, am I going to get that kind of money? Tomorrow, how am I going to pay the premium for my insurance policy? Tomorrow, how do I buy fuel for my car? Tomorrow, how do I do this? How do I do that? And hundreds of other worries for tomorrow. Because, why worries? Because we have already forgotten that we have already prayed to the God. We have prayed to the larger universal energy, to the Creator to protect us, to bless us and to see that we have got food on our plates, we have got lights in our house, we have got shoes in our feet, we have got clothes, we have got a daily earning, we have got everything. We have already prayed, but when we come back again to join our life, we forget. Tell me very honestly, most of us, when we pray, do we have faith? Yes, I think we have. The time that we are praying to God, we do have faith. But the moment we come out, we lose that faith. Here comes the importance of mantra or affirmations. My next video will be on affirmation. What are the affirmations? Affirmations, we call it in India, we call it mantra, which is actually mantra. In our ancient books, there are a lot of mantras written by ancient wise people because they knew that those mantras or those affirmations can reprogram our subconscious mind so that we start believing in something that we want, something that we desire, something that we dream for. And those affirmations or mantra will push us, will direct us and will give us new opportunities so that we can fulfill our dreams. So, once we pray, keep that prayer within you. not just in the church, in the mosque, or in the temples, or in the gurdwaras. Keep those mantras, those affirmations along with you. Carry them with you all the time. Believe in the universal energy, the larger, big creator's energy which has created us. Believe in him, believe in it, whatever, in whichever way you want to call it. You call it him or it or her, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Is the power, is the energy, is the driving machine that is driving us, being within us. Like I said, we are just like a cup of water which is sunk in the bucket of water, water outside it, water inside it, water above it, water beneath also. So, if you start practicing keeping your prayers with you all the time, then you will see your worries are much less. You are not worrying about tomorrow, what will happen. You will also not think about your past glories, because we always live in our past glories and our future fears. And in doing so, when we are thinking about our glorious past and when we are thinking about our fears of the future, we forget to live this moment, because this moment is very, very important. I'll make a video on that, the power of now. There's a very famous book by one Eckhart Tolle, where he has explained the importance of the power of now. So all that we are doing every day, we are not giving any importance to the power of now, but we are living in our past glories, that oh, how beautiful those days were, or our future fear, oh, what will happen tomorrow. So this what will happen tomorrow and our past glories, we must come out of these two things. We must live in now. And how you will live in now? There are several ways of how you will live in now. One of those is keeping your prayers all the time with you. The thing that you desire, the thing that you dream of, the person that you want to become, all those are our prayers, our affirmations, or our mantras. Carry them with you all the time. It's not only while you are praying in the temples that you are with God. Believe in this fact that God is always with you. By saying God, I mean the energy. Because I work with energy, body energy, mind energy, universal energy. And because I believe that there must be a larger energy source which is supplying these small energies to us, energies to our mind, energy to our body, energy to our thoughts, energy to whatever we are doing. So it's very important, my friends, that it's just not the temples of God where you should pray with faith. It's our life, it's our everyday routine. It's all the time, now, every moment, that you must carry your prayers with you so that your prayers become true. That's all. This is what I wanted to say today. God bless you all. I love you all. We'll meet again. Now go and win it.